helpwithcaronline.com. Give us a call at area code 937-215-4388 or 313-728-4404. Check us out at helpwithcaronline.com. Okay, guys, we got a 2002 Pontiac Aztek. I was having trouble. I was looking through YouTube and I was trying to find how to replace the turn signal bulb, which would be located right here on the top, and then also how to do the replacement on the headlight. And unfortunately, I couldn't find anywhere on YouTube that does it. So just went in on it and did it myself and figured it out. Well, for the turn signals, guys, there's two bolts. As you can see, I'm kind of ahead of the game a little bit. I've already changed the bulb and discovered how to get it off. There is a little snap lock there to put the bulb in. And the way it goes back in here like that. There's going to be two. There's also like a little groove that this thing sits in for it to sit in place. See how I just did that? And also there's going to be two 7mm bolts like this one, and that's what holds this in. And this is the headlight. Okay, as you can see, the whole headlight the whole assembly comes out, and the way that you got to get that out, there's a little lever. Let's see if I can get to it. It's right here. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to pull it out. I almost touched my finger there. You got to pull this thing up, and then it comes out. And then of course you have a plug here, which you have to unplug, and then you're good to go. And then of course you just line everything, plug it back into this, and then just sit it back in there and pop this thing back in here. I tell you something else that was a little bit easier for me to access this was removing the coolant reserve tank. It's no big deal. I just sat it aside. But that's what it's going to take to get this headlight out. Sometimes this lever is a pain in the ass to try and get off. So I also used a screwdriver just to kind of just pop it up, and that got it done. So I'll go ahead real quick and I'll put this all back together, that way you can see it. Okay, right back in with that. All right, guys, got the headlamp back in. Got the screws tightened down. Gotta make sure you put this little piece back down so that it holds the headlight in. And put your coolant reserve tank back on, like so. And that's it. Pretty easy, simple, easy. Alright, guys. Stop the car on mine. Peace.